down, wait, never.
He, that's God, wanted to have many children share his glory. The entire story of history is the story of God creating a family. God created the human race because he knew that some of them would choose to love him, and they would become a part of his family forever.
So, hey guys, I'm not gonna say morning because it's not morning. It's like it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm listening to a sermon. That's what you guys heard in the beginning. So I'm just kind of listening to that. So it's pack. I was gonna say moving day. It's not moving day, but the box made me think we were moving. It's packing day because by the time you guys see this, I'll be in Puerto Rico. So I had a different video planned for this week. Again, by the time you guys see this, I'll be in Puerto Rico. I had a different video planned, but I wasn't feeling good in the beginning of this week, and then I got behind on editing my video from last week. It went up on Thursday instead of Wednesday, so I didn't have time to do that, and I've just been like lazy today, so that's why I'm packing now. I literally got up at like 10:30 and I stayed in bed for like another hour, and the whole time I've just been eating, and I just got done Bible study. But yeah, so I'm gonna pack, and I'm so excited because this is the first time that I've actually been like on an island. It's a very rainy island, and I'm so excited because one of the things that we're gonna be doing is going to the UK rainforest, which is the only rainforest in the US, which is pretty cool, and I'm so excited to go. Like, I'm just so excited. And Puerto Rico is so beautiful, apparently. Packing, I did my laundry yesterday, but I left it in the basket. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm probably just gonna end up folding my laundry, and then I'm just gonna put some things aside that I want to wear, and then I'm gonna go through my drawers and pick out a couple things that I might be wanting to wear in the closet, and then I'll put together some outfits. So we'll do all that. And then my suitcase, which you guys can probably see. Where am I pointing at? Right here. My goal is to just focus on vlogging. My Poshmark closet is on hold, so my goal is not to do any kind of work besides get some pictures and vlogs for you guys. I'll probably do like a travel diary video for this channel, and then do the like mini vlogs over on my other channel. But we had to get tested for COVID, obviously, if you're traveling anywhere, especially outside the country, even though it's technically not outside the country. But if you're traveling anywhere, you have to get tested. I mean, anywhere that you travel at this point, you have to get tested for COVID. I work from home, so I don't expect to have COVID, but the guys go outside and they work, so they could bring it in here. I don't know, but they're all negative, so I doubt that I have it. So I'm still waiting on those test results to come back, but we had to get tested, so within 72 hours of us leaving. But let me so I'm gonna do my laundry, fold my laundry, and then I'm gonna show you guys the process of me packing. Okay. I'm gonna pause this real quick. So this is what happens when I pack and I'm home by myself. I have a whole fashion show with literally every clothing item. I mean, I do this like every time I travel, and when I pack, I like do a little mini try on. I mean, do other people do this? Let me know in the comments. Do you do this as well when you travel and then like you're trying to figure out outfits? Do you try on your outfits? Because same. I got this shirt the other day for only 99 cents, and it's a men's shirt from the thrift store, and I'm digging men's shirts, and it says margarita. Even though margaritas are Mexican, we can, you know, it counts. I got this specifically for the beach, but I did these like DIY biker shorts because your girl only owns one pair of shorts, and every other shorts that I own is like DIY. So I DIY'd some biker shirts. Laying down some outfits, still going through the clothes here. I just folded some of those clothes there. That might be an outfit. If that's an outfit, that's probably going to be like a hiking outfit, but we don't know. But that's where we're at right now. I can't seem to figure out why I was super zoomed in just now. I can't seem to figure out too many outfits. Again, I've only gotten, well, if you count this one, I've only gotten 3 outfits down. But we're working with what we got. Also, this is my hair. I did mini twists. I was going to straighten it, but then I was like, that doesn't make sense because it's literally gonna be so hot and it's going to rain a couple times, so it doesn't make sense to go through so much work to straighten my hair, like get poofy or it messes up because of the rain. We don't have time for that. We don't have time for her. I just put it on mini twist because it'd be more manageable. I'm also going to probably do a modest outfits of the week while I'm down there, so every week I'll probably be filming. Every day I'm probably going to be filming what outfits I wear, just so that you guys know. I'm trying to keep it as modest as possible because modest is hottest over here. Use our bodies to glorify God, so I'm probably just going to try to have that video up. We still got to figure out what clothes we're going to wear, but I'll come back to you guys when I actually start the packing. Ladies and gents, this is the moment you waited for. Okay, let me stop. I've been on TikTok too much. Let me turn off this light. I'm wearing shorts, guys, I promise. Cool. Oh, I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. It's my fault, it's my fault. I was hard on my face. What we got so far, I still gotta put my toiletries in my underwear, but I'm not gonna put them in now because I'm not gonna show you guys that. But there's my bathing suit, I got some sleeping clothes, and then underneath are my outfits. And then I also remember I gotta put my shoes in there too. But I'm gonna put my shoes in a bag so that it doesn't get my clothes dirty. I'll probably just make room in the corner here and then move those things up there so that there's room for my shoes. I'm gonna end the vlog here. That's gonna be it for today's little packing vlog. The guys are probably gonna be home within the next hour or two, so I want to shower and then finish wrapping things up and packing. It's like almost 4:30, so they should be home soon. But that's gonna be it for today's vlog. It's short. Usually my vlogs are short, but just wanted to get a video up for next week because, like I said, I didn't get a chance to film a video for this week before, and I want to get this edited by the end of tonight and have it just edited and uploaded and all that good stuff before I go on my trip, because I'm not trying to do any work on this trip. I'm trying to relax and just film and take pictures. If I do any type of work, that's all that I'm going to be doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave any video requests down below that you guys have for me. Any faith-based videos. I do have videos that I'm going to be filming after I come back from my trip, so there's going to be like a good couple weeks worth of videos for you guys to check out. But if you guys want any other urgent videos that you want me to film, let me know in the comments down below. Again, reach out to me on Instagram if you have any questions or you just want to like link up and just talk. I'm always on Instagram, and just send me a DM. What did I just say? DM. Just send me a DM on Instagram. And with all that being said, just remember, you are beautiful, you are worthy, you are loved. I love you, God loves you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scouts.